What are you doing?
Getting the dino back out.
The dinosaur back out. What kind of dinosaur is it?
Stegosaurus.
How do you know that?
Because I'm a great genius.
Because you're a genius.
Look at it in the picture.
Oh, what makes you know that you have a Stegosaurus there?
Because it's there.
What piece did you find already?
Tail.
And what does the tail have on it that makes you think it's Stegosaurus?
The plates.
The plates. Oh, right. And Stegosauruses have plates?
And they're back and the tail.
Cool. You're going to keep digging?
Yeah. Stop. Take a picture.
Hi, Austin.
Mama, I just got dust on me.
You got some paint on you?
Yep, and some dust too.
And some dust from digging dinosaur bones?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
No, not okay.
Not okay?
No, because my hands up, I'm doing take 'cause